Our WordPress importer plugin works fine. So check this, how to import thousands of products from anywhere. So I have run the process in the background. I have just paste all URL and works. Select it, just import it per 5 seconds to 3 seconds. Auto import the image, everything from the any website. Check all store, everything in store, also the published. So check 160 is skipped, that means skipped is already imported. Check, this is the item already. Our application, our plugin is automatically detected that this item already is stored, so they skip this item. So skip means we have already imported. So as there are this type URL item, also the simple check this type URL item, so our plugin auto detected once data is already the imported, so skip the item. So thank you.